This video is to go over the rotator cuff muscles for our big arm model, which is right here. The hot spots are for the anterior and posterior muscles. Again, this plays it spins around and around, left and right, and enlarge. Now, this is the big arm model right here. So the deltoid muscles should be right there. This is the Teres Major. And if I spin it around, I can see the Subscapularis there. And I can see the rotator cuff muscles. So on this model, which is a close-up, the deltoid muscle has been removed. So we do not have the deltoid right there. So this is the anterior view. So this is the anterior part of the scapula. And this is the clavicle right there. There is the coracoid process. We can actually see the biceps brachii and the coracobrachialis right there. And this is the pectoralis major. And right here is actually the latissimus dorsi. Why am I bringing those up? Because as we rotate this model, they're both going right there to the base of the intertrabecular sulcus. So I thought that was something neat to show you. So this is the posterior scapula. Here's the medial border. Here's the spine, acromial process. We have the greater turbucle right there. Lesser turbucle is over there. So this muscle is the supraspinatus. Here's the spine, so supraspinatus. And it's going to come, it sort of sneaks in here and attaches right there. So that's the supraspinatus. This is the infraspinatus. 99% of it. Everything, in fact, except that little tiny thing right there is the supraspinatus. This is an annoying thing, that's the teres minor. The rest of this is the supraspinatus. Infraspinatus. And again, that's going to go and connect over here. Here's the teres minor. It is sneaking around again to the turbucle. And they do pretty much the same thing. Now, the fourth rotator cuff muscle, or spinning around to the anterior, is the subscapularis. We can't see it. We have the brachial plexus there. We have the axillary artery right there. So we can't really see it going in and where it actually attaches inside here. It's sort of hiding where it's attaching. Now, there's one more muscle I want to point out on this model. It is this one right here. This is the teres major. It's not part of the rotator cuff. Teres minor is. But it's hanging out. It does similar things. And it's actually going to the anterior side. So you see it's crossing to the anterior. And it's going to sneak around to this side. So those are the rotator cuff muscles. Thank you very much.